Father.
Yes, my princess.
I want to speak with you.
You have my permission. Please sit.
It's about my mother, Dorothy.
Dorothy is the last person I want to discuss now.
Father, I understand. Your feelings are valid. I understand how you're feeling right now. What she did is bad in the sight of God and man. She didn't treat me well at all. But I've forgiven her even before now, regardless. I would want you to forgive her.
Oh, no. Rise. You are before my presence. Please sit down.
Father, forgive my mother, please. I don't want you to carry such burden, such load on your mind. I want you to set her free. To err is human, to forgive is divine. When you told me you were a born-again Christian, I felt very elated because that shows you are a child of God. That shows you know and respect God. And if you are a child of God, you should learn how to forgive. If you are a child of God, you should learn how to let go. I don't want you to keep holding grudges for her. I pray you forgive her. I ask you let go. Please, however you look at it, she's my biological mother and she will always be. I want you to forgive her.
My princess.
Father.
I forgive Dorothy. Alone, you took after mommy in everything alone. I was just seeing her picture on your face, but it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. Are you sure?
Oh.
From your heart.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.